Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? You're probably thinking, what the hell, man? I thought you were taking a break. Well, I am, but I just couldn't let the channel shout out go. It's something YouTube doesn't really pay attention to the other channels unless you're making a ton of money for them. But this is kind of my way of helping out the little guy. No matter how big my channel gets, I'll probably still do the channel shout out. So there's gonna be no fire up Friday, no burn, I should say. Just gonna do a shout out. And if I get a sticker, I'll do the sticker. And if I get any mail calls, I'll do the mail calls. But otherwise, this is what it's gonna be. Alrighty, as you can see, I've still got a plethora of names in here that I need to draw. So get the canteen out. Then we get one to pop out. There we go. And then this week's channel shout out goes to, oh cool, Michael Brunner. Great dude. I will link Michael's channel in the description. Alright, well, big shout out to Michael Brunner. Real good dude. Great brother. As always, I have 2 videos coming up this weekend. Saturday and Sunday. One of them's a cooking video. And after that, I actually have nothing else shot. So, breaks on. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. And stay safe out there.